Hi everyone. I have a design team project here for Nectars Creations. This is Nectaria's newest kit called the Wanderer, and it is more of a masculine feel, more steampunk, which, as you know my style, you can guess that this was a little bit of a stretch for me. I am more vintage, kind of shabby chic. However, I love the way this has turned out. So let me tell you a little bit about what Nectaria gives you in this kit. So it's called the Wanderer, and I'm going to link it below so it's easy for you to find. It prints out into a 5 by 7.5 inch journal. Now I have done mine a little bit differently. I reduced the size so that mine is 4 by 6, and I just did that based on the settings on my my printer. So you would have to work with your printer if you wanted to do that. She gives you 12 double-sided pages. Sorry, I don't have one here to show you, but it would print out, so by double-sided I mean one side here, one side here. So you could cut them apart to have 24 pages. Then she gives you a lined page, which you will see here, and then she gives you this double-sided pattern page, which is just gorgeous. This could be used for a cover if you wanted to. And because there's so many pages in this, you've got lots of cover options. I just happen to love this particular page that shows London and the Thames here, so that's what I chose to use. So in addition to the pattern pages and the line page and that plain patterned page, she also gives you 7 sheets of ephemera, so envelopes, tags, die cuts, all of those things. And you can see, here's one of the pages. I didn't happen to use these, but there would be 6 other pages that you would be able to use for your journal. So let me show you what I've done with this. I used, as I mentioned, one of the sheets that I really liked for the cover here of London. And then this is one of the ephemera pieces, and I've just added some brads here. And then just some, these are Tim Holtz book corners. After I got this done, what I really wished I had done, because I did print some of this on vellum, what I wished I had done was do the cover piece here, image in vellum, and then attach it in the corners with the brads, so that it would have more of a, I don't know, just more of a sheer look. Just more of an interest. So that's something, just a tip if you want to give this a try. I thought that that would be a really, really interesting look for the cover. And then on the spine, I've just left it painted, and the back I used that the plain patterned page, and then I've got book corners there as well. So let me take you inside. The pages are just absolutely beautiful. Let me make sure I've got you in frame. I do. This would be a great option for a cover. I noticed that Liezl used this for her cover, and her channel is called, oh, sorry Liezl, I think it's called Did Someone Say Paper, I believe. In any case, I will link Liezl's channel below just so that you can have a look at her images or her project as well. And then I've just added some labels here on, or tabs actually, on one of the sheets. Nectaria gives you strips of color, so this red color and then the blue color that you could use as side pockets or belly bands, that kind of thing. And I chose to just use them for tabs. And then I've just added the little brads, and I've just typed some words there that have to do with travel, so explore, journey, discover, notes, you know, those kinds of things. And then I've got some labels here that I've used and just added some Tim Holtz washi tape throughout. And this is an image that I just got off Pinterest, I think it was. I just thought it went well, the style of it. It's Venice. And aren't these papers beautiful? And I love this turquoise that that Nectaria has added. And I'll show you a little bit. Actually, it's right here. I had some of this paper from a paper pad that went really well, so I decided to use that as well. And then I did some tags here. These are a couple of Tim Holtz stamp sets that I've used just to go with it. And the other thing that I've done is reduced even more than I did for the size of the book. I've reduced some of the pages by, I think, 50% and used them as tuck spots or journaling cards. You can see that throughout. The other thing that I did was pair the pages with some craft paper that I had coffee dyed to go along with the look of the book. And then here is the lined page that Nectaria sends along with the kit. So I've included just a label, a travel label, and then I did a couple of stamped craft tags here. And on this side, this is from the kit, and you can see this was from the cover as well. I've just added it to this little envelope. I don't have anything in the envelope there. And then I've added just a little bit of kind of plain trim there. A little bit of stamping throughout, more of the Tim Holtz washi tape. So the other side of the bag here, I've just added just some coffee dyed paper that I had. I've just attached it together just as a little kind of notepad with a little label on it. And then I've just stamped this library Rolodex card and added from the paper, I've just punched out hole reinforcers for that. A bag that I've stamped, and then I've just included another label here, and that's a little bit more of the kind of tabs that Nectaria includes. And this is from Tim Holtz, and these were just some travel tags that I happened to have that I thought went well with this kit. Beautiful. And then on this bag is from Denise Sayez's Etsy shop, A Tattered Dream, and I'm going to link her shop below. I've included kind of more brads there. This could be titled as well if you were wanting to do that. And then I've just used some of the Tim Holtz chain here just as a little kind of attachment. And again, that's one of the pages that I've just reduced in size. I think it was 55%. And another of the tags that I made, and a little bit more stamping on that craft paper. Another tab, this one says notes. And that's some of the new Tim Holtz washi tape. I thought went well. And this one is memories. And in this half, I've just got one of the Tim Holtz Expedition images that I've used, just as supposed to be a picture, really. And then, so there's 4 signatures, and then in the center here, I've just got this craft folder that I've made. So this is one of the page images, of course, and then I've added another of those tags that I have. It's a top-loading pocket, and then I've closed it with this rusty paper clip and this key. And inside I've just got some pockets, and then here's some of the ephemera that comes with the kit. Isn't this beautiful? Just gorgeous. And then on this side, another of those stamped tags. I love this. And then this is the envelope that comes with it, and I've just printed the inside of it with the patterned paper. And then there's a couple of inserts that go along with that. Then on the back, I've just got a belly band. Again, this was just some paper from a paper pad that I had that I thought went well with it. And then this is another of the tags that Nectaria includes. So in this signature, again, more beautiful paper here. This is from Denise's Etsy shop. And then I've clipped on, again, another rusty safety pin, or safety pin, why do I call them safety pins? Paper clip, and another piece of ephemera from the kit. A little bit of stamping. This tab says Journey. And here I've used more of the Tim Holtz chain, and then I've just got a couple of again, these were pages that I reduced in size, and I've just attached them together with that chain. And I've got the same look here that I have further ahead in the book. So this would be a fabulous book to take on vacation. Lots of space for pictures and journaling. And then I've got just a couple of luggage tags here, and those are just printables from Pinterest. I just thought the colors went well with this. And another page image that I've reduced in size. More of that Tim Holtz washi tape. And this tab says Wander. And then another bag. These were Michael's bags that I've stamped and added a bit of trim to. And another of these luggage tags that I had. And then I've clipped another one of those library Rolodex cards onto this glassine paper that I've included. It says Discover. And this was the paper, again, that I had that I thought matched really well with this. So I've used this label again, the Wander label, and then I've just chained together a couple of the tags that come with the kit, and those would be great for journaling your trip. And another tag that I made, and then this is the another envelope with the insert tag that goes with it. And another of these tags that I made. This one says Record, and this is the other part of that glassine paper that I've attached or added some Tim Holtz washi tape to. And then in the back pocket I have used, this is just, I think it's an index card that I've just cut the tab off of. And then I've added more of the ephemera that comes in the kit here, and then just a plain craft tag there. So this is my design team project for Nectars Creations, her new The Wanderer kit. And I will link everything below, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop, so I will put the link to that below as well. And if you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to ask, and I thank you for joining me.